Are you thinking about joining doTERRA, but you're not quite sure which kit to get? In this video, I'm going to share with you the Family Essentials Kit and everything that comes in this beautiful starter kit. I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best essential oil education, click the subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new essential oil video each week. Now, I'm going to share with you all about this awesome kit. But if you want a cheat sheet on each oil and how to use them, simply click the link in the description below to download your free guide on these 10 awesome essential oils. Now, the Family Essentials Kit comes with 10 5-milliliter bottles of essential oils. So let's go through them one by one so you can find out if this happens to be the starter kit for you. Now, the first oil, of course, is lavender. Lavender is the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. It's great for skin irritations. It's great for calming. It's awesome right before bed at night. This is a great oil to have on hand at all times. We personally love to use it to alleviate sunburns and even some burns in the kitchen. It's an awesome, very gentle essential oil that is safe for the family to use. The next one would be lemon. Now, lemon essential oil is very detoxifying. It's a great one to put in your water in the morning to really wake up your organs and get your body functioning properly. It works really well at communicating with your cells and pulling the toxins that it may have been storing in your fat cells. So that would be lemon. Lemon's also great around the kitchen. It's great to help get the sticky off of things. It's also great for taking Sharpie off of things that you don't want it on. Now, the next one that I'm gonna share with you is peppermint. Peppermint is one of the top essential oils. In fact, I believe it's number 2. Lavender is number 1. Peppermint is very energizing, uplifting. It's great to really help cool the body, especially if you are working out a lot. It's great to put 1 drop in your water and drink that while you're working out so you can maintain a cool body temperature during your workout. Peppermint is traditionally known to be very helpful when you are experiencing discomfort up in your head. I tend to like to keep it away from my eyes, but I'll put it on the back of my neck. And it's just a great oil to have around. The next one I'm going to share with you is Breathe. Breathe essential oil is actually one of my most used products because for the first 34 years of my life, I was severely asthmatic. And now I use Breathe to really help support my respiratory system. Of course, I would not recommend anybody going off of their medications. You definitely want to consult a physician when you have something as life-threatening as asthma. But this is one that I like to use in support of my respiratory system to really help my body have the best function it can have. I like to do what I like to call the human diffuser, where I rub it together. I cup my fingers together like this, so there's a hole, and I breathe it in, and I do that about 3 or 4 times, and I do that often, at least once or twice a day to really just give my body that extra support. Now, Breathe is awesome for anybody who is dealing with seasonal discomforts and need to open up that airway. I love putting it on my kid's back with a blend called Aroma Touch. Aroma Touch is like a massage in a bottle, and so it really just soothes those muscles and takes that tension out that might come when you're hacking a lot. And then you throw the Breathe in there as well, so you've got the muscle relaxant, and then you also have the respiratory support. Now, the next one I'm going to share with you is magic. This is called Deep Blue Rub. Deep Blue Rub is one of those oils that you fall in love with when you use them. I like to refer to it as kind of like an icy hot. It goes in and it helps support your muscles and ligaments in your body when you're feeling tight and sore. And really, you only need a little bit. Like seriously, 1 or 2 drops. Do not use a whole bottle. It will burn and then it will be icy, icy, icy cold. So this is a great one for people who are struggling with discomfort in their hands, in their knees, in their shoulders, their joints. For me personally, as a stroke survivor, this is an oil I used a lot in my recovery as I was trying to work through some of the pain that I was dealing with. Now the next oil that I have is one that you've probably heard of. It is tea tree or melaleuca. Tea tree is one of those oils that is just super handy to have around because it works really well at targeting fungus and infections that are on the skin. And so it really helps support your body as you're fighting off those things. And so things like toe fungus, and rashes that are along the skin, this is a great oil to grab and apply that way. Now the other thing melaleuca has traditionally been known for is to be very beneficial for your oral health. It's awesome to put on your toothpaste at night, especially if you're dealing with receding gums and you need some extra support and you're really not looking forward to going in and having that procedure done. So melaleuca consistently can really help improve your skin and your toes and your mouth. So it's a great oil to grab. The next one that we have is called Digest Zen. Now Digest Zen is a blend of essential oil that is meant to help your body support your digestive system. And one of the things I love about essential oils is that there are so many different constituents in essential oils that you don't just get one thing for, let's say, diarrhea or constipation. You can have one essential oil that deals with a myriad of digestive issues. And so this is a great oil to grab if you've got digestive issues. You can put it on topically, you can take it internally. I know my husband who has Crohn's disease, this was his oil that he really started using when we got on our natural journey and we started really treating our bodies differently. And so Digest Zen is an awesome blend to have on hand. Next oil that I want to share with you is oregano. Now, sometimes people will refer to oregano as an antibiotic in a bottle because this is seriously a heavy hitter. This is not an oil that you want to put on topically without diluting it. When you use essential oils, some of them you can put on topically, and some of them, when you put them on topically, they will either leave your skin red or they will feel like they're burning. I guarantee you with oregano that will happen. This is the hottest oil and you want to be careful when using it. Now, another thing that I have heard and read is that when you are using oregano essential oil, you never want to use it for more than 10 days in a row because you want to give your body that chance to build up that good bacteria again. Now, oregano is a great one to grab and apply topically when you have warts. But like I said, you don't want it to get on your skin, and so it's helpful to grab a Q-tip, put that in there, and then put it directly on that wart. Now the next oil, we've got two more left, is frankincense. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a stroke survivor and you know that this oil is precious to me. Frankincense is known as the king of oils because it can go through and break the blood-brain barrier and offer additional support to our brain and our brain function. Now, it also helps healthy cellular reproduction, and it's just a great oil that supports the inflammation system in your body, and so many other aspects of it. It's also a super high vibration. It's the second highest oil vibration, which means that if you're feeling down or low or blue, your vibrations are down and you need to lift them. So if you're looking for an oil that will help kind of lift your vibration and bring you to a happier mindset, this is a great oil to grab. I personally like to put it behind the back of my neck and across the top of my head. So love this oil, it's amazing. Now the final one in the Family Essentials Kit is OnGuard. Now if you're looking for a product that you can use consistently for a very inexpensive price that will help boost your immune system, that is the oil you want to grab. I believe it's right around like 10 cents a drop. And when used consistently, it offers your system a much needed immune boosting support. You know, sometimes when we get sick, we go out and we get like the emergency packets and we begin drinking them. But the beauty of OnGuard is we can boost our immune system so we don't even have to get sick. And if let's say we get sick and we're like, oh, I need some OnGuard now, There's a study found on PubMed.gov that I will link in the description below, where they studied OnGuard with the swine flu and found that it took it from, I believe, 2 to 4 weeks down to 2 to 5 days when used consistently. Now just remember, when using any of these products, you want to make sure and use smaller amounts more consistently, and that will be the most effective way to use essential oils. So there you have it. There is our Family Essentials Kit. This is $150. When you purchase this kit, you end up getting 10 essential oils, a membership for a year to get 25% off of all doTERRA products for the entire year. Now, the beautiful thing about that is a lot of times people are like, oh, I don't know if I want a membership because I don't want to be committed to ordering on a monthly basis. Now, if you want deeper discounts than 25% off, you can order consistently on a monthly basis. But if you just want to get on an order whenever you want, then this membership is the way to go. It's like having an Amazon account and a Costco card mixed together in one, because you get all the benefits of wholesale. Amazon and Costco never call you and say, hey, you haven't spent money this month. And it's the same thing with doTERRA. You don't have to order on a monthly basis. You don't have to order a certain minimum or maximum amount. You can just get on an order whenever you want. The shipping is super cheap. Now, along with this awesome kit, you also get some beadlets. These are OnGuard beadlets, and we've got peppermint beadlets that come with this as well. They're so cute. They're tiny little beadlets that you can pop in your mouth when you're looking for an extra energy boost, or maybe you're trying to boost your immune system and you don't want to carry your oils with you. This is a great way to do it. They also are used as well for breath fresheners, because OnGuard is cinnamony, peppermint obviously is minty. Now, if you're ready to get started with doTERRA, I would love, seriously love, to have you on our doTERRA team and to have you be part of our doTERRA family. This simply means that when you join our team, you get access to our exclusive oil circle, where we do trainings and we post on a daily basis different ways that you can use oils. We are dedicated to education and service. You will also gain access to an 8-week series all about essential oils. We've got essential oils in skincare. We've got essential oils in pain management. We've got 8 different topics that we love to cover that takes you beyond just the essential oils one-on-one. We've got emotions and essential oils. There's lots of different classes that you get access to that is high value that you get just for joining our essential oil team. So I will put that link in the description below if you're ready to get started. If you have questions, I would love for you to put them in the comments. Let me know what your questions are, which essential oils you've got questions about, and how I can serve you the best. I would love to connect with you and help you get started on this wellness journey. I seriously cannot imagine my life without essential oils. You're gonna love it, and I look forward to working with you. So have a wonderful day, and remember, you are amazing.